The suspicious husband. John was a man who loved his wife Rose very much. But he had one big problem. He was very suspicious. He always thought Rose was hiding something from him. If Rose smiled while using her phone, John would ask, "Who are you talking to?" If Rose went to the market, John would follow her secretly. One day, Rose went to her friend's house to learn sewing. She was happy and excited. John thought maybe she is meeting someone else. So he followed her and watched from a distance. Inside the house, he saw Rose sitting with three other women. They were learning how to stitch clothes and laughing together. John felt ashamed. When Rose came home, John said sorry. He told her, "I trust you now. I was wrong." Rose smiled and said, "Love is nothing without trust." From that day, John stopped doubting her. They both lived happily and peacefully. And now, according to the native speaker, this story I'm going to recite again. John and Rose had been married for 5 years. They loved each other deeply, but there was one big issue. John didn't fully trust Rose. He wasn't a bad person, just a bit too suspicious. If Rose smiled while texting, he would ask, "Who are you chatting with?" If she went out, John would ask too many questions or secretly follow her. Rose felt hurt, but she didn't say much. One afternoon, Rose told John she was going to her friend's house to learn stitching. John nodded, but his mind was full of doubts. Is she really going to learn stitching, or is she hiding something? So he quietly followed her. When he looked through the window, he saw Rose sitting with a group of women. They were laughing, learning how to sew, and enjoying tea together. John felt ashamed. That evening, he said to Rose, "I'm really sorry. I've been overthinking things. I'll try to trust you more." Rose smiled and said gently, "All I've ever needed is your trust." From that day on, John changed. He gave Rose space, believed in her, and their home became peaceful again.